Unbelievable. I came in last night, well, yesterday afternoon at 10 past 5, and I just looked from my window and I saw that my LED lights were still on all this time. Just look at it. It's just reflecting in that car, and it's been on for it's like 6:30, so it's been on for 25 hours or something. Let's see if I can still start the car. Now the alarm is on, everything is on inside. Alarm sounds pretty bright. Let's go see. Still works. What's that thing? Oh! How's that? How about that, huh? So, 24 hours, more than 24, 25 hours and some change, and the LEDs don't use the battery. It's amazing. It's wonderful. So I can't be, I don't know, worried the next time I forget the thing on. Brilliant. So that was Ruben reporting from Mauritius in his 1998 Rav4 called Jayce. See you, bye.